our channel. Let's do it together.
So good.
Yeah, this is very good for your immune system. So these are all the ingredients for our Arroz Caldo. All the ingredients, we're gonna put it in our description box for exact measurement. Okay, now we're gonna start cooking.
Together.
1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Any cooking oil, vegetable oil, but not olive oil because it's gonna taste different. Garlic is already sizzling. Wait the smell to release. Then add your ginger and wait for 1 minute until it's brown. Then we put the onion. And from this time, you can put teaspoon of black pepper. And you can put your bay leaves. Just 2 bay leaves, it's just crushed. That's why it looks maybe a lot for you, but it's just 2 bay leaves. Do you smell now, darling?
Yeah.
Smells so good, right?
Yeah.
And at this point, I would like to put my saffron. Now, you can put the chicken. See, the smell so good, right?
Yeah.
Once you put the chicken, let the chicken cook first. Now the chicken is already cooked. You can put the chicken bouillon. I like to go real. And I will use the fish sauce. But from this time, make sure that you don't put salt because it's already salty. And then you just put salt at the end. Because last 2 that I put, they already have their own saltiness. Now you can put your rice. This is like 1 and 1/2 cup. What I use is a sushi rice because you're gonna see the Arroz Caldo gonna more creamier and it tastes better than regular rice. And we're gonna put the water and wait until it boils. So I changed my pot because it needs a bit more water. So you just need to keep stirring that to make sure the sushi rice will not stuck at the bottom. And so that they will cook evenly.
Now it's almost cooked.
You see that? The sushi rice is already dissolved. Yeah. We still need to wait a little bit. So I'm gonna taste. At this time, you need to adjust the salt and then the fish sauce. And we're already boiling the egg in here to put in there later. But unfortunately, we don't have spring onions. If you have the spring onions, you can put some. Let me check now.
Yeah, we're gonna check.
It's very good. I already put like 1/4 cup of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of veal or chicken bouillon and 1 tablespoon of salt. It's up to you because I make my pot bigger, so I add more water because as you see the sushi become more creamier, so I put more water. As you add water, you adjust your salt in your seasonings. So it's already done. I already put the hard boiled egg. I just forgot to show it to you guys. And now we're gonna get it. And you're gonna garnish it with some chicharron and spring onions. We're gonna taste it now. This is the crushed chicharron that we put. So delicious. Can you try it, Pepe?
So good.
Yeah. And there's the egg. Wow, it's really good during these very cool days. And then around us has a lot of the viruses or flu or colds. This is very good for your immune system. So because it's a lot of ginger and garlic. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next
Video.